Hey folks, Kevin with the Home Design. Another project, another master bathroom, a little bit more than master bathroom, adding a closet or reconfiguring the bathroom and closet. Actually, I'm gonna walk you through the project, what we did here. And what you see right now, of course, you see the master bedroom closet here, but this walk-in closet was not here. And I'm gonna explain what we did here. This was all closed off, and the shower was here, which when we go inside the bathroom, I show you what we did here. As we come in, you can look at the before picture and video and you will see what I'm talking about. The shower was here inside the bathroom, small shower. And as you came in, you will see that right now the shower at the end of the bathroom, that was the closet. That was a small closet, which is a good size for shower. That's why we converted the closet to the shower. We moved the shower, the small shower over there, became the shower, and we knocked down the wall behind this shower and pushed it a little bit out into the master bedroom and made a big walk-in closet out of it. We moved all the plumbing over here for the shower, the drain. We got the linear drain, of course, and the whole set of shower with a nice niche in the back. The hexagon tile of the back of the niche, actually it matches with what we did on the shower pan. And as we continue this way, we did put a bigger vanity with the linen pantry next to it, closet. And we used the same tile as the shower pan, the mosaic, the hexagon. This is very nice accent on back of vanities, on behind the vanity wall, which looks very nice. And there was a decked-in built-in top here, which we remove all the framing and did a freestanding top. And of course you got the freestanding top filler. The whole thing was retiled and waterproof, all recessed light, new fans. And the bathroom, we didn't much to it, just changed the toilet and replaced the toilet with a new one. And as we can show you here, we can go and have a shot, maybe, I don't know, from the closet later on, but we put the pocket door on the closet that it won't swing inside the closet or outside the room, that you can keep it open and have easy access into the closet. Alright folks, thank you very much for watching the video. Let us know if you have any comments, any questions. We'll be more than happy to help you. Have a good day.